That Supreme Court leaked draft decision to overturn Roe v. Wade has caused a lot of emotional reaction from both pro-life and pro-choice groups. And there are a lot of questions about what would happen if the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Here locally, Connecticut has strong legal protections in place for a woman's right to choose. So would anything change if, in fact, Roe v. Wade is overturned? Fox 61's Matt Caron is live at the state capitol now with some answers. Matt?
Well, here in Connecticut, abortion rights are state law. So even if Roe v. Wade is overturned, not much would really change here in the state of Connecticut. That is, unless Congress decided to pass a law outlawing abortion. In the wake of the Supreme Court's leaked draft decision to overturn Roe v. Wade,
abortion is health care, and health care is a human right.
Passionate advocates on both sides of the aisle are speaking out.
We believe very strongly that life begins at conception and it ends at natural death.
Simply repealing Roe v. Wade wouldn't even make abortion illegal, but it would activate trigger laws in about 26 states that could make it illegal there. That might have implications for Connecticut.
Women will travel to states where abortions are legal and more readily accessible from states that prohibit them.
Which is why state lawmakers passed House Bill 5414, which protects people seeking and assisting with abortions from being sued or getting sent back to a state to face criminal charges.
Without this provision, another state could extradite a provider, for example, here in the state of Connecticut, or the Uber driver, or the individual that allows that person to stay at their home.
The bill also allows not only doctors, but nurses, midwives, and physicians' assistants to administer medical abortions.
It was an expansion of a scope of practice on who can perform an abortion without providing the necessary training.
Constitutionally, while the Supreme Court's doctrine of stare decisis discourages the court from changing previous decisions, it's not unheard of.
As far as whether the court has the authority to do this, there is no doubt whatsoever.
Which is why Connecticut lawmakers are considering codifying abortion via a state constitutional amendment.
It would entrench the right to abortion against the possibility of a future swing of the political pendulum.
But actually getting that constitutional amendment to the voters is not easy. It will require a 2/3 or supermajority of both the House and Senate. If lawmakers can't get that, they can do it via just a simple majority, but they'd have to vote on it twice during 2 different sessions. Minimum timeline, we're talking about 4 years. We're live at the Capitol Complex in Hartford. Matt Caron, Fox 61 News.